Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So in this set we are using real flowers and butterflies. I'm just showing you here. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of primer. After the primer we are gonna go in with a small bead of clear acrylic on the ring finger as well as the middle finger. Those 2 are gonna be my accent nails. So I'm going to put the light flower on here. So now after applying the flower, I'm just going to grab a little bag and put that over the finger and like squeeze down to make sure that the flower lays flat down. And you just see me going in with my hand as well and just pushing on the flower to make it lay flat. I am going to go in with a little bit of monomer as well to make the flower wet, to see if that might help push it down. And then next I'm going to be doing the same thing on the middle finger, except the middle finger is going to have a dark blue flower instead. For the dark flower, I did end up picking up a little bit of acrylic and push that down into the flower to help the flower stay in place. And I'm also going to go in with acrylic on the light blue flower as well to also hold it in place. Next, we're going to go in with nude acrylic that is going to be on the pinky as well as the index finger and the thumb as well. So you just see me here applying the acrylic on the pinky finger. Next, we're doing the index finger. I did go ahead and speed it up as the process is exactly the same as the pinky, and I also went in and sped up the thumb as well. So for my thumb finger, if I am keeping the nails on like I would be this set, I do always make my thumb short. If I am not keeping the nails on and they're just a pop-off set, then the thumb is the same length as the other fingers. The nails look really good so far, so I'm going to go ahead now and apply the butterflies on the 2 accent nails that have the flowers on them. So you do see me pick up dark blue flowers that I do place on the finger with the light blue flower, and then I'm going to do the opposite. So for the dark finger with the dark flower, I do go ahead and put light blue butterflies on there. So I think I'll add one more butterfly right up there, and then the rest would be nude. Maybe I should bring the butterfly here to cover the stem part of the flower. My idea was to do light butterflies on here, but I take that back, because here, see how beautiful you can see the butterflies, but you can't see them. My idea in my head sounded so good. So I was saying it's the first time I'm using these flowers, so I think next time I'll cut them in half and not try and fill the whole flower like I did right now. Next step, we're gonna go in and encapsulate the butterflies with clear acrylic. Next step, we're gonna go in and encapsulate the pinky, the index finger, as well as the thumb. I did go ahead and speed up the footage of the encapsulation. Just make sure that you do go ahead and clean around your cuticle. So I do show you here on the thumb. So you see me pick up my first bead and lay it just above the design of the accent nail, and I slowly brush it, feather it down so that I don't cover my butterflies or my flower, but just enough so that it blends nicely. I did go ahead and speed up the acrylic application on the middle finger because it's exactly the same as the ring finger. Next step, we're gonna go in and encapsulate the two accent fingers, the part of the nude that we just applied for the ombre. With the thumb, and we're just gonna file back and forth, try and get under there to get rid of all of what's stuck under there. Make sure you hold your file at a 90 degrees. And we're just gonna file. The cuticle, I'll come back and do that. Pull back the skin a little to expose where the acrylic is. And I balance my thumb here so I can file. I'm holding my finger stable. So that way the tip is not feeling like it's wobbling all over the place. Okay, same thing here. I'm using my middle finger to hold. Can't do my middle finger properly because I'm trying to figure out how to brace it. There we go. This is a 5-in-1 safety bit, so even if I go on the skin, see, it's not gonna cut. So next step, after doing the cuticle, we are going to go in and debulk the accent nails. The accent nails turned out a little thicker, I think because I added maybe too much clear acrylic to hold the flower down. I forgot that I'm going to add butterflies and then have to encapsulate again, so they just ended up a little bit thick, but I did go ahead and debulk them and file them down. Next step, we are going to go in with our top coat. So this is the Not Polish glossy top coat. It's my first time using it, and it is a little bit thicker than the other top coat I've used before. I've used Emily one, so it's just something to get used to working with the thicker top coat. I also went ahead and speeded up the top coat application on the rest of the nails. Next step, we cure the nails. So I cure my nails for 2 rounds of 60 seconds to make sure that they're fully cured. And then once the nails come out of the lamp, you do see they look so pretty. I did take a video in the car. The nails are gorgeous. I'm in love with blue. It's my favorite color. So anything that has to do with blue, I am all for it. So I love these nails so much. Hope you guys love them too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. Bye.